AI is exploding in 2025. But when you put ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, and Perplexity on the same real-world tasks, the results will shock you. These AIs actually rated each other's answers, and you'll be surprised how unselfish they were. Stick around because by the end, you'll see which one truly comes out on top. And hey, don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next AI battle. Every day millions of us ask AIs to write emails, code scripts, plan trips, or even draft blog posts. But which one actually gives the clearest, most useful answers? Instead of guessing, I ran a series of direct battles. Same prompt for outputs judged by the AIs themselves. And what we discovered says a lot about how these tools really perform in 2025. Test 1. Writing a blog post. The challenge was simple. Write a 150-word blog post about the future of remote work in 2025. Here's how the votes went. Gemini liked ChatGPT's answer. Grok liked ChatGPT's answer. Perplexity liked ChatGPT's answer. And ChatGPT itself? It actually voted for Gemini. That means the winner of this round is ChatGPT, but it didn't even vote for itself. That's honesty, and it shows how close the competition really is. Here's a short excerpt from its answer. Remote work in 2025 is less about where we sit and more about how we sync. AI copilots handle meeting notes, summarize threads, and surface decisions, turning hours of coordination into minutes. The winning teams in 2025 master clarity, documented decisions, transparent goals, and a humane cadence that lets people work smarter and still breathe. Clear, practical, and easy to follow. That's why 3 out of 4 AIs chose it. And if you'd like to read the full 150-word response, you can find it in the video description below. Our second challenge was coding. The task: write a simple bash script that checks disk space usage and sends an alert if it exceeds 80%. This time the result was crystal clear. ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, and Perplexity, they all agreed on the same winner. 4 out of 4 chose ChatGPT as the best response. Simple, practical, and clear. That's why every AI picked it. And if you'd like to see the full script with explanation, check the description below. Our third challenge was productivity. The task: write a short professional email to a client, requesting a project update on AI Workflow 2025, with a deadline by next Friday. And here's where it got interesting. The AIs couldn't agree on a single winner. ChatGPT and Perplexity both tied for first place. Here's the excerpt from ChatGPT's email. Subject: request for project update, AI Workflow 2025. I hope this message finds you well. Could you please provide us with a status update by next Friday so we can align our next steps accordingly? Thank you for your support. And now, Perplexity's version. Subject: project update request, AI Workflow 2025. I'm reaching out to kindly ask for an update on the project status. Could you share the progress by next Friday so we can move forward together? Much appreciated. Both are clear, professional, and straight to the point. That's why this round ended in a tie. ChatGPT and Perplexity share the win. Our fourth challenge was creativity. The task: suggest a catchy YouTube title and thumbnail text for a video about AI replacing video editors in 2025. And the results: split right down the middle. ChatGPT and Gemini both stood out, and the AIs couldn't decide which was better. Here's ChatGPT's version. AI just replaced video editors. 2025 is wild. Thumbnail text: editors out, AI in. And here's Gemini's take. Editing a video with zero experience, using a 2025 AI. Thumbnail text: AI edited this. Both are engaging, both could work, and that's the point. Creativity is subjective, and even the AIs don't always agree. So this round ends in a tie between ChatGPT and Gemini. Which one would you click on? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more AI battles. Our final challenge was research. The task: explain quantum computing in simple terms, and give one real-world example from 2025. Here the clear winner was ChatGPT. It broke down the concept step by step. Bits versus qubits, superposition, entanglement, all in plain language. And then it gave a real-world example. IBM's Condor quantum processor being used for drug discovery in 2025. Here's a short excerpt from the winning answer. Quantum computers use qubits, which can be 0, 1, or both at the same time. This lets them explore many possibilities simultaneously. In 2025, IBM's Condor quantum processor is already helping researchers simulate molecules far more accurately than classical supercomputers, speeding up the search for new medicines. Clear, practical, and accessible. That's why ChatGPT took the win here. And with that, our 5-test battle is complete. Which AI do you think should face the next challenge? Drop your ideas in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe. The next battle is already on its way. And now the final results. After 5 real-world challenges, here's the scoreboard. Writing, ChatGPT wins. Coding, ChatGPT wins unanimously. Productivity, tie, ChatGPT and Perplexity. Creativity, tie, ChatGPT and Gemini. Research, ChatGPT wins. That gives us a clear overall winner. ChatGPT takes 4 victories, with Gemini and Perplexity each taking part in 1 tie, and Grok struggling to make an impact. So what does this mean for you? If you want the most balanced all-rounder in 2025, ChatGPT is your go-to. For writing with extra flair, Gemini still shines. If you want polished, professional business tone, Perplexity can deliver. And Grok? While it didn't win today, it often brings clarity and bold answers that might surprise you in other use cases. The truth is, no single AI is perfect. Each one has strengths, and the best choice depends on what you need. Now I want to hear from you. Which AI do you use most, and for what? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe, because the next AI battle is already coming.